friends. Today's project is using the new Club Couture transfer along with this fun surface I found at the Dollar Tree. So today I'm going to be using two different color paints. I've got this aqua color and then another one that has some glitter in it. So I'm going to be painting the edge of this fun cork surface that I found, like I said, at the Dollar Tree. So I'm just taking my paint and I'm going to go all around the outside of the wood trim with this aqua paint. And then after I get done with that, I'm going to go back and add that fun glitter paint. Okay, so I'm drying that first layer of paint and then I'm going to add the glitter layer. It's hard to see in the camera, but it's got a fun aqua glitter to it, and I just love it. I thought it would be fun for this project. So I'm going to go right around the outside and I'm going to add that glitter paint on top of the aqua. So before I chalk my surface, I want to make sure that the edges are all dry. I don't want to be smudging any of that pretty glitter paint on my surface. Speaking of paint, am I the only one that pours way too much paint in their trays? I gotta stop doing that. I wish you could see how glittery this paint was. It's so much fun. So for this project, I'm going to be using the June Club Couture transfer. Club Couture is a monthly subscription kit with an exclusive transfer that you receive once a month along with other added benefits. A lot of fun. So this month's transfer says, live in the sunshine, swim in the sea, drink the wild air. I just love it. I went back and forth on whether or not I was going to use the entire transfer or just part of it. But in the end, I ended up deciding to put that entire transfer on there, and I'm going to chalk in black velvet ink so it shows, or not ink, black velvet chalk paste, I should say, so that it shows up over that coral that's on that surface. So let's get chalking. Here comes my absolute favorite part. I just love pulling up that transfer. That just never gets old. And that turned out so nice. I love how that turned out. So now it's just time to embellish with a bow. after I pulled this bow together, I figured that it needed a little something extra. So I pulled a little seashell that I found from our collection from past trips, that, you know, little seashells that we've collected. And then I decided to also add one more little ribbon to add a little bit more color to my project right there. So once I add that, since I'd already tied it on, I just decided to add that with a little hot glue gun, or hot glue I should say, and then I'm gonna add a little hot glue to that fun seashell as well and add that to my ribbon, and it's all set. A quick and easy project using a Dollar Tree surface. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.